Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. It's Tuesday, February 18th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks, we had a great time this morning in my prop trading and day trading session within WealthCharts. So let's kind of explain what happened today. So the first theme overall was patience. That we were waiting for setups. We saw in about 3 or 4 cases that we were not getting everything in agreement that we look for, in that WealthChart trading room. And so because of that, we passed on trades, which were really good moves for us not to trade. Okay. But then we got a couple good opportunities towards the end of the session. So here's an example on the crude on the 1 minute chart where the champion cross, you can see here it started turning red and it was widening. When you see that with these very solid Heikin-Ashi candles, the flat tops, okay, we then look for the retracement and a potential entry. And this was a very solid trade for us. And then just a few minutes after that, we took a look at the Russell. And you can see here on the Russell, we had a beautiful uptrend. See the common theme, see the retracement back in the direction of the trend then. And this had everything we were looking for. Okay, it had the bullish algorithm, Heikin-Ashi algorithm, had the Heikin-Ashi delta smooth coming back up with that green Heikin-Ashi dot. And that was a beautiful opportunity as well. So again, just some fantastic trading today in that WealthCharts session. With that, folks, if you want to learn some more, so Thursday, February 20th at 10 o'clock Eastern, I'm holding a live session. So if you want to learn about how to ace your prop accounts, use the overall experiences that you have been trying to learn and master it, and how I've done that within my prop accounts, please come get it registered right away. So it's Thursday, February 20th at 10 o'clock Eastern. It's becomeabettertrader.com/yes. So it's becomeabettertrader.com/yes. Again, Thursday, February 20th, 10 o'clock. I'm going to show you exactly how I use the Heikin-Ashi Advanced Training System to prop trade. And I look forward to seeing everybody there. All right. Have a great evening, everybody. Good luck. Take care.